Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Uploading documents to Google Classroom in 2025 is crucial for seamless academic work. You can easily submit assignments and share resources directly from your device or cloud. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the latest, most efficient methods for uploading various file types, ensuring you stay organized and connected. Master these steps to simplify your workflow and enhance your digital learning experience throughout the academic year. It's truly simpler than you might think. Integrating your existing Google Drive files into assignments is incredibly efficient. First, open the assignment in Google Classroom and click Add or Create. Select Google Drive from the options, then navigate to your desired document. Choose the file, click Insert, and it will attach directly to your submission. This method is ideal if your document is already stored in the cloud. Just ensure your file permissions are correctly set so your teacher can view your work without any issues. To upload files directly from your computer, begin by opening your assignment in Google Classroom. Look for the Add or Create button and select File from the drop-down menu. A window will appear allowing you to browse your device. Click Upload and then browse to locate the document on your desktop or in your Downloads folder. Select the file, click Open, and Google Classroom will attach it. This is perfect for newly created documents or scan materials. Always remember to save your work first. Google Classroom accepts a wide range of common file formats, including Google Docs, PDF, images, and presentations. It's always a smart idea to check the assignment details for any specific file requirements your teacher might have, ensuring compatibility. A great pro tip is to name your files clearly, like assignment name your name, making it easier for everyone. Also, try to keep file sizes manageable. Extremely large files can sometimes take longer to upload, so be mindful of that. Before you hit that final Submit button, always take a moment to review your attached files. Click on each document to ensure it's the correct version and that everything is legible. Confirm that the assignment is complete and all necessary documents are included for grading. Once you are certain, simply click Turn in to submit your work. After submission, your teacher gains access to your completed assignment for evaluation, and you'll receive a confirmation. You've successfully uploaded your documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.